Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Leaf. If you're a gardening enthusiast or just love stunning blooms, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of hydrangeas, exploring the major types and some popular varieties you might want to add to your garden. So, let's get started. Our first stop is Hydrangea macrophylla, commonly known as the bigleaf hydrangea. This group is divided into two main types, mophead and lacecap. Mophead hydrangeas boast large, rounded flower clusters that make a bold statement in any garden, while lacecap hydrangeas feature a charming ring of larger, sterile flowers surrounding a center of tiny blooms. Popular cultivars include Endless Summer, Nico Blue, and Pinky Winky. Next up, we have Hydrangea paniculata, or Panicle hydrangea. These beauties have cone-shaped flower clusters that start off white and can gradually turn pink or burgundy as the season progresses. Favorites like Limelight, Phantom, and Grandiflora are perfect for gardeners looking for a touch of drama as the blooms mature. Now let's talk about Hydrangea arborescens, the smooth hydrangea. Known for its rounded full blooms, the standout cultivar here is Annabelle. Its massive, pure white flower heads add a classic, elegant touch to any landscape. For something a little different, check out Hydrangea quercifolia, the Oakleaf hydrangea. Its uniquely lobed, oak-like leaves provide amazing fall color, and the flower clusters, which can be white, pink, or even slightly burgundy, bring year-round interest to your garden. Cultivars like Snow Queen, Alice, and Ruby Slippers really stand out. Have you ever seen a hydrangea that climbs? Meet Hydrangea anomala subsp. Petiolaris, the climbing hydrangea. This vine-like beauty is perfect for adding vertical interest as it gracefully scales walls, fences, or even trees, showcasing cascading lace-cap flowers. Last but not least, let's look at Hydrangea serrata, often called mountain hydrangea. Similar to the bigleaf hydrangea, it offers delicate blooms in a more compact form. It's especially popular in Japanese gardens due to its refined appearance and manageable size. Beyond these main types, there are countless hybrids that combine the best features of each species. And one of the most fascinating aspects of hydrangeas is their ability to change color based on soil pH, ranging from vibrant blues to rosy pinks, adding an extra layer of intrigue to your garden design. That wraps up our tour of hydrangea varieties. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, hydrangeas offer endless beauty and versatility. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe to Tiny Leaf. Let me know in the comments below which hydrangea variety is your favorite or if there's one you'd like to see featured next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening!